Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is an electric pressure washer. It's received 4.6 out of 5 stars and it's a #1 bestseller on Amazon. Are you tired of struggling with dirt, grime, and stains that just won't budge? Meet your ultimate cleaning solution, the electric pressure washer 4200 PSI. Whether you're tackling driveways, decks, patios, or vehicles, this power washer delivers industrial level cleaning performance in a compact, easy to use design. With its 4200 psi of raw power and a water flow rate of 2.5 gallons per minute, it obliterates even the toughest buildup, even on siding, saving you hours of scrubbing. The electric motor ensures quiet, eco-friendly operation, unlike noisy gas alternatives, while the high-pressure nozzles and included attachments give you unmatched versatility. Built with durability in mind, its rugged frame and stainless steel components are designed to last, making it ideal for both homeowners and professionals. Plus, the lightweight design and quick connect hose make setup a breeze. Don't let dirt stand a chance. Upgrade to the electric pressure washer 4200 PSI and transform the way you clean your surfaces, and your time will thank you. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.